Ladies and gentlemen, the recovery team, we're here at the warehouse beside All In, where Okorocha hid properties belonging to Imo State government. With us here is the first daughter of Okorocha, Uloma Uche Nwosu. We really do not know the essence of being here. I'm all like, I know my I'm very confronting them on stage for coming to take our properties. Here is Mrs. Uloma Uche Nwosu. Imo State government properties. They scattered away our properties and they have the impetus to come and challenge us. What? No, I've covered her. You don't touch my phone. Are you mad? Is it crazy?
Stop that.
If you touch my phone, I get an opinion. Are you crazy?
Don't touch her phone.
Touch me again. Yes, sir. Yes, he wants to capture my phone. Do it again. I personally will do it. Right? Yes, he's want to capture my phone. Get out from my face, my friend. Get out. Yes, madam woman, we know why you're here. Have you come to challenge Imo lives? Yes. You people cutting away our materials. Do you want to video? Yes, I do. But that guy is trying to push me. I didn't touch her. No. We want to know where she's here. Now? You can stay here.
Why are you personalizing this?
I'm not personalizing. I'm doing my job.
That's not a job.
Don't push me.
If I meet that person, yes, you can talk about the problem.
Why? Come to the warehouse beside All In. Imo State, warehouse beside All In. That is where they have come to challenge us.
No, but you have right to do that.
Oh yes. You people looted Imo State and have the terrorists to come here to challenge us. How dare you? How dare you? Hello? Get off my side. Okay, this guy wants to take my phone.
Which one?
Imo, see him. Look at him. Yes. Wherever you see him, capture him.
That's what she uses for.
No. You will not. No, you will not. You will not. You will not. I say you will not. If you do it, I'll report to IG. You will not. Now wait. No, you will not. Yes. Our security details. What is the portfolio in Imo State? What is the portfolio in Imo State?
What's wrong with that?
Yes.
For you say you came here and said you will shoot anybody here.
IG, look at your man. He's threatening to kill me. IG, look at him. He's threatening to kill me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, a policeman that is being paid with public money.
I swear to God.
Yes.
I swear to God.
Mrs. Solomon, we know why you're here. Have you come to challenge us? Imo State, no, they wouldn't do anything. No way, they wouldn't do anything. Oh no. Imo State, Abraham challenge Imo State. Abraham Bibu property anyo. Hana challenge Imo State biano. Imo say outside waiting for you, Mrs. Solomon. Imo say outside waiting for you. Yeah, they're outside waiting for you.
Okay.
Imo State, Imo lights come to a warehouse beside All In supermarket. Imo State, Uloma coming here. Yeah. Oh yes, you needed to see what they're doing over there. Uloma was challenging me.
We saw you.
Huh?
Just streamline and send. Leave the rest.
They have to come and leech her. No,
don't do that.
Imo lights have to come and leech her. I don't take it. Lekwana property anyo. Lekwanu property anyo. Lekwanu property anyo. Nimo State lekwanu property anyo. Huh? Lekwanu ebe ha bịara bịa zụọ property anyo. Chineke mee. Okay there. Fellow Nigerians, are you seeing? Fellow Nigerians, are you seeing? Where they have the temerity to come and hide our properties? This past government of Okorocha summoned the temerity to loot us dry and see how they have fun to come and challenge Imo State. How dare you? Imo State biano dan ba lekwenu ho ejikwa he ganya alushiga anya go ha lekwenu ha. Yes, IG, please, are you taking note of your man that is challenging us? Are you taking notes? I have the privilege of having the audience of the IG on my blog. So whatever you do, let it be known to you that he is seeing it. Yeah. The one who civil servants are. The blood of the pensioners are on your head. Oh, you roachers on your dynasty. Yes. Look at our collective wealth. Our collective wealth. Le kwe beha pa kriyo. Le kwe beha pa kriyo. Nana hunkwane. They stole like petty thieves. They are indeed thieves, criminals. Imo State nana hokwa. Chineke proper boy. Eligwe. See warehouses. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? Jesus Christ of Ndezamum. Hey, Anna Kuke former accountant general. Okorocha with the worst. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You have to tell us what is your profession before your father became the governor of Imo State. No. Olama, you ain't going nowhere, man. You have to tell us what was your father's occupation. What was your occupation before your father became the governor of Imo State? Sir? Ewo! You remember we saw one of it in Udoji's house? Yes, so fraud. Chineke me. Oh lo. Ora te kona nebo Chineke me. Alehe nwa before mpaya wa governor. Ojiri nwe hende ndi Imo State bekpano. Olo. And iroro gele before mpaga wa governor. Ujiri back ni nende. And are you also streaming me, darling? What was your occupation before your father became the governor of Imo State to have amassed such wealth? That you have the effort to come here to challenge Imo State government. Imo State nana hukane. I'm online. Huh? Would you look at that? Nana hukane. Olo. Chineke proper boy. Hey. This place is highly flooded. I should have gotten to that area. Like this? No? Really? Oh no, you can't do that. Basta, please come here. Let me get on my car back and the temerity of these people is mind-boggling. Really? Really? The police detail you have, they are being paid with Nigerians taxpayers' money. Officer, I hope you know that. Good.
Thank you.
No, good. This one. Bring it up. Yeah. Hang it, hold on. Hang this one. And this, use the rope. Use the rubber band. No, we don't have time to forge anything. No, you're talking to me. You're talking to me. Until she clarified to me what was her occupation before her father became the governor of Imo State, then I'll leave her alone. I don't care, man, and I don't have such work. I don't have such criminal mind. She's too accumulating. She's too accumulating. She's too accumulating. Yes, she's too accumulating. She's too accumulating. Ndi hero no before mpaga wa governor nne. Ijiri bia nga be na challenge Imo State government. If I were you, I wouldn't have showed my face here.
I'll block her.
Okay, here we are again. You're asking me why I'm taking it personal? Because this, you're calling me in my life now. Yeah. He's calling me a foolish woman. Okay, make up a jama with you. Eh? Took a jama with you. Stop. Let me capture you. Silly. You're asking how many followers I have, darling? You'll be amazed. You will see what is beyond you today. Yes, we have the privilege and the criminal family, darling. So many people are commenting criminal family. Yeah, baby. Yeah, so no. Huh? I'm here in the capacity of the Imo State government. I'm not here alone. No. I'm doing my job. Banana here before I'm back at governor of Imo State. Did what I can pensions are all gone. How do I get challenge? Yes. Boza. Imolais are here in solidarity. Imolais are here in solidarity to Imo State government. The recovery team, we are here to recover our loot. Okorocha si branga challenge na yo. Yes, sir.
Are you one of us?
Yes, darling. Jesus.